lang. Ka BJP Meghalaya kalong Pynkhreh ban Pdiang Burom ya Myntri Rangbahduh keri Narendra Modi sya kajela. Unong yalam barang ba kaseng uba AL hack ulong baladap ban pinbit pinbiang lut ya baro ki jing Pynkhreh bat Myntri Rangbahduh keri one poi ha apa Shillong ha kapor kemba khatway beji AA minstep bat lechwa sya ususo tham auditorium kum kadak ban kinmau Burom ya ki langut ki noya kun lat lut kajela. Utirot sings im ukiang nang ba bat upatugan sangma. Ula benrap ru ba Myntri Rangbahduh keri sa ajingkren ha ke jingelang kabanlong ha kendai lat bat hadin kane salet pat chatura.
We BJP, we are gearing up for the visits of our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi. Now also Modi has not come during this election, but Modi wave is already there. Not only in the urban area or the Shillong city, even in the rural area, the remotest rural, people talking about Modi, Modi and Modi. It is first time in the history of Meghalaya. BJP is contesting in all the assembly constituencies. If we are getting only 50 mark also of the 34 constituencies, we will be 15 plus of BJP in the state of Meghalaya. And BJP will be led government in the state of Meghalaya.